Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be showing you how to wrinkle paint your valve cover, this case on my Acura Type S. Alright, so the first step is gonna be obviously removing the valve covers. In this case I already did that. So what's going on? What's going on? Here's my trusty companion. So like I was saying, remove the valve cover. In my case I already did, and clean it up nicely so that way you don't have any oil, dirt, residue on top of it. So you can use your favorite brand degreaser, soap and water, and a brush. So I have mine already cleaned up. It's coming out, I mean, looks good, so it's pretty clean. Like I was saying, I mean, no residue or dirt left behind on the valve cover. So the color that I chose, it is the BHT red. In my case, I'm making my car trying to look like a Type R, so that's the main reason that I chose the red part. So now that we're ready to move to the second step, it's gonna be removing the paint on that valve cover. So get yourself a Camel aircraft paint remover, and I'm gonna be putting this thing on time lapse, so that way I can share the whole process with you without taking that long. So see you in a bit. Alright, so we are ready to start spraying the valve cover with the paint remover. I have my wire brush, my nylon brush, and gloves. Always make sure that you always wear protection, because that thing is gonna burn your skin in a bit. So don't forget that. Always wear protection. Alright guys, quick update. I don't know if the camera can capture it very well, but I mean, basically the valve cover, it is sitting on bare metal right now. I'm gonna sand it just a bit to see if I can take away from those marks. Well, looks like they're really deep, but gonna try and see if I can get those out. I mean, the paint remover, damn, did wonders in this valve cover. As you can see, the wire brush, it is completely clogged. I'm gonna throw this away. It's useless. But I mean, valve cover is coming out right, looking good, and gonna sand it and give you an update shortly. Alright guys, quick update. As you can see, it's coming along. Just sitting the valve cover in the sun, let it dry for a while. But yeah, I don't know if the camera can capture it, but like I said, I mean, basically it is on bare metal. So let it dry for a while, mask it, and start painting. Alright guys, so I have everything prepped. Valve cover is maxed off. Have the paint, shaking it. First coat, saying that should be vertical, then horizontal, and the last one is gonna be diagonal. So let's start with it, see how it comes. Alright, so the first coat is ready. As you can see, it's looking good. So I'm gonna start shooting the second one after 15 minutes of waiting. So here we go. So here we go. To apply the third coat, should be diagonally, but I mean, I have to say that it's looking good so far. Shoot, I'm surprised. to be honest with you, because this is the first time that I paint a valve cover myself. So it's looking good so far. Let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, so finally valve cover is done. As you can see, took the tape out, came out really nice. I mean, the only thing left is the letters, but I'm gonna wait until the valve cover paint is fully cured and have a sanding block, and then put some tape around it and sand it, so that way that part of the Honda Motorsport is gonna basically pop when it's sanded. So right now I'm gonna start installing this, and I will share the results.